At Crete United, we understand that no two buildings or their HVAC needs are the same. That's why we offer custom HVAC maintenance plans built around your unique requirements and compatible with all types of HVAC equipment. With decades of experience across all major mechanical systems, our team delivers unmatched technical expertise to keep your systems operating at their best. Our services are designed to help you ensure regular inspections and compliance with OEM maintenance standards, maximize equipment lifespan, uptime, and energy efficiency, reduce energy costs through proactive maintenance, gain budgetary control and plan future expenditures with confidence, minimize the risk of unexpected downtime, avoid surprise capital expenses related to mechanical system failure, choose from 4 levels of protection, diagnose, test, and inspect. A standalone diagnostic program that offers detailed testing and inspection to assess the health and performance of your mechanical systems. Proactive preventive maintenance. Comprehensive coverage focused on prevention, including detailed diagnostic testing and inspection, and preventive maintenance services. Labor-inclusive maintenance, offering diagnostic testing and inspection, preventive maintenance, repair and replacement labor, and emergency calls and service. Full protection plan. Our most comprehensive coverage, including diagnostic testing and inspection, full preventive maintenance, repairs, replacements, emergency service, components, parts and supplies, and overtime labor. Breakdowns aren't a strategy, maintenance is, and Crete United has a plan to help you protect your investment and maintain peak performance today and tomorrow.